one school concert now, like the teacher said to me, you are the one who always disturb my class, say you're a DJ.
The music thing that.
See the concert there now, see a platform there. And I was excited to actually take on the challenge and take it on, and the whole school mash up when I go up on the stage and sing. And when school concert keep, everybody parents come at school, you know. You over so me I say, cause this is like right before holiday time now when concert I keep. So you don't after concert school done for the summer. I'm gonna go up and sing and the reception to how the whole community and the school take me. I become this little star in my community, not only in our school. And then I take it to the youth club in the community now. And my brother and some other youth in the youth club was really active. And them run the whole youth club, so them a push me forward. Big up Light North over, big up Philip Thompson, which is my brother. Big up Pampas, big up the whole of the man them from inner the youth club who always I say, see our artists here and push me forward. But my brother now, which is the one who introduced me to music, actually sell peanut at school and using peanut money and buy a sound system just to facilitate me.
Believe in
yeah, man, some did have the community behind me and you know, on some levels, which was good. But me did have to migrate Portland from an early stage still because there wasn't any recording studio to facilitate what I want to do, because being a 12-year-old, you're not pre that, but by the time you reach 16 now, like you say, I want to go in a studio and you know see that around you. So me take for myself. When I left Portland, even my parents don't know, you know. I just leave and forward in the city and there and I jump on the bus them and I go to a studio. I ride every bus around town. I go to every studio boy as a youth. Just a try 15 and see where I go on.
Yardstyle live.